grams boneless chicken, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 1 tablespoon peri-peri sauce, 1/2 teaspoon red chili flakes, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder. Mix well. Marinate for 30 minutes. 1 tablespoon cooking oil, 1 tablespoon chopped garlic and ginger. Cook on low flame for 1 minute. Add marinated chicken. Cook on low flame. Cover and cook on low flame for 5 minutes. One carrot finely chopped. 1 small capsicum finely chopped. Cook on low flame for 2 minutes. 4 tablespoons mayonnaise. 3 tablespoons ketchup. Mix well. Set aside. Grease the pan. Shawarma bread. Cook on low flame for 1 minute. Add prepared chicken mixture.